Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your daily energies, Pisces, I'll be picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and your relationship, I'll be picking few more cards, guys. So these are for your daily energies. Pisces, for your career situation, I'll be picking 3 cards, and for your relationship I'll be picking 3 more cards, guys. So these are for your relationship, and 1 card from the Angel Oracle Guidance deck. So that card will be a general guidance, what we can follow every day, guys, that will bring a greater harmony and peace in our life. So this is the card. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Pisces. So let's start with your daily reading first. So whatever questions you may have regarding your situation, guys, your career or personal life, you can think of it before we go into that part of the reading. So these cards may answer some deep thoughts or questions you have in your mind, Pisces. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's Queen of Earth, 4 of Earth, and 10 of Air. So these are the cards. So these cards may relate to our career situation or personal life situation, guys. So in your situation today, Pisces, maybe you are progressing in a positive way. So whatever that is not working for you, maybe the way you perceive your situation, or maybe the way you are in a relationship. So whatever was not working, you are letting all that go, maybe the old ways of thinking or behaving. So all that is ending and you are progressing in a positive way towards some new beginning. Maybe for some of you it may even mean some kind of ending today, maybe some relationship coming to a graceful end, and you are moving forward towards that positive, strong relationship or positive, strong personality. So, and you have that strength and courage today in your situation. You are quite practical, maybe, and that may be the reason that maybe some of you may feel that this connection may be impractical for you. So that is the reason you may be moving away from this person, or it may be something to do in your career situation. Some choices or some paths may sound very impractical, so you are giving that up and taking up some other new choice. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. And also you are a very resourceful person. You know what you need to do. You have a great knowledge, and you are a very responsible person in your situation. It may be something to do in your career or personal life, whatever it is. You go in that proper way, and you have that inclination to do things in the right way, guys. Whatever is good for you and whatever is good for everyone, you do that. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energy, Pisces. And let us see what are these cards for your career situation first. We will open these cards. It's Six of water, messenger of water, and 10 of fire. So with these cards in your career situation today, guys, maybe for some of you in your situation today, things may not be going so well. Maybe some obstacles or some stressful situations may be there, and you are just thinking that those good old days are gone. Maybe in your work you would have had more opportunities or more chances for success, and you are simply wishing those days may come back. So whatever you are wishing for yourself, you are working towards that, and maybe you are a very talented person and people simply admire you for that. And there are also people who are jealous of you, jealous of the way you are, jealous of the way you go about your work. So that is also I see, guys, for your relationship. And maybe for some of you something that was not working. We saw that same energy with the previous cards, guys. So whatever you felt is not the right thing, maybe some path in your career, maybe you are changing your career path, progressing towards that more fortunate ideas, maybe something more lucrative that will work to your benefit. So you are simply changing the way you go about in your work, and I see that you are clearing your way, clearing up those things that are not working and proceeding towards some new beginning in your career situation, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. Let us see what is your card for your relationship. World, High Priestess, Nine of Water. So with these cards here again, guys, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this situation today, you have that enthusiasm, clarity in your thought, and maybe for some of you, you are clearing up the things that were not clear to you before. Some kind of secrets are being revealed. You have a better knowledge about some situation. So you are moving towards that better clarity and knowledge and understanding, maybe about this person, maybe about this connection. So something was not in your vision or something you had doubts about, that doubts are all clearing, guys, today. That is also what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive your situation, and you have a clear perception today. You know what you need to do today to enjoy that maximum harmony and balance in this connection. So you try to have that balanced connection with this person, be with that person in a very harmonious way, and your dreams or whatever you are wishing, all that is coming to be fulfilled. And you are moving, maybe for some of you, you want marriage with this person or engagement, and this person may accept your proposal, guys. That is also what I see with these cards, Pisces. So let us see what is your angel guidance card. So let's see what is the card. Withdraw. So this card does not mean that we have to isolate ourselves from someone, break away from some relationship. That is not the meaning with this card, guys. This card just means that we have to have time to think clearly and see our situation from a different perspective. Each and every one of us feel a different way about some circumstance. We feel a particular way, the other person, they may have a different view, or their feelings may be different. So in order to understand their feelings and their perspective, we have to think differently. We have to think from their position. Only then we will understand why that person spoke those words, or what is the reason for those reactions. So when we go for that different perception, we will get a better clarity and understanding in our life, guys. So let it be in our career or personal life. We have to think from that position of that person. Only then we will get that clarity. So that is what this guidance is about, Pisces, and that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.